Take a couple deep breaths. Thank you guys for being here with me. Thank you for choosing to dive further into your essence and your being and having fun with it and just being a champion and the troopers that you guys are. I feel so much gratitude and the energy from everyone doing their work, doing their shine and sharing their love and, you know, helping raise the vibration of the world and the state of consciousness and state of how everybody is relating, correlating in our collective world out there. So many of you guys are just bringing it, and I'm so honored because this is truly an epic time to be alive as we get to witness everybody turn into beautiful butterflies and they start to see and enjoy the simple life and start to see that there's a lot more going on in the present and in the heart than there is in the paradigm of the mind and the Maya world that is actually coming to a total transformation as you guys are experiencing it. And it's amazing because here we are, me and you, and guiding it, you know, as you're doing it for yourself, even just as for your own personal journey to awaken and discover yourself, you're doing it for everyone. So know that there's a lot of other people are going to benefit from you doing your soul work, your spiritual recognition, energy, and just becoming self and becoming purely self-aware, so that way you're not being triggered like you were before. You're not in those habits like that you were in before. You're not in the, you know, anxiety, stress, yada 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 anymore world. You're free. You're so expanded in your consciousness, and just in the present you are fully just at peace, because that's all there is in the present, just pure peace here, me, you, and what we create intuitively. And you know, I think it's coming to that point where all of us are starting to create it. We're starting to truly ground and not be afraid to live from your heart, as everybody, you know, certain pockets of the world might be totally judging you and you stand out like a sore thumb, but they still see the value that you're doing and they're still like respecting it, and they're, you know, everyone's winning, and you know, a lot of those people take those experiences and elevate themselves, or they take it with them throughout the day and be like, oh dang, that was dope, that was awesome, that person, that individual had so much light and love and was just, you know, carefree, not because he didn't have any problems going on, but because he, you know, he's doing the work and it's showing, and he's, you know, making changes in himself, so that way he's fully uplifted and vibrant and always just being a light for everyone, always serving everyone. Thank you all who keep doing that, and I'm trying to be at that level all the time. I'm still human. I'm still in this vessel here with all of you guys, so you know, I'm still human. I'm not 100% perfect. I leveled up in so many ways and can hold a present state of, you know, awareness and being, and you know, bring people to that space as well. But there's a whole other level of like, how do we get in that state of divinity and pureness, and then let that guide us to create what's next, you know. And that's what's going to require all of us. And that's where it gets exciting, because then we're not going to be fighting for each other for the resources, because we're all going to be one. We're all going to see it, and it's just so amazing. It's like, imagine everybody in the world supporting you. That's what it's going to be like. And you know, you obviously supporting everybody. That's what it's going to be like. The love that's here, and that it's even amplifying more and more, is just epic. And it's so amazing to see it and witness it and feel it and create it, allow myself to surrender to it. And you know, that's the whole point of, you know, doing the spiritual self-discovery, to heal the dark mind that we all carry, and the personal self traumas, and you know, all of that. You know, doing your shadow work, and your, you know, when it's a lot. So I am so grateful for all of you who keep doing that. And this video wanted to just do another shout out, another just explosion of love and light to everyone that continues to even watch these videos and show me love and support. As you know, this, you know, channel is still kind of small, but I feel it getting, you know, to a lot of people. And I've been getting a lot of beautiful messages of how it's helped so many people, what I had to share through my experience. And that's what I'm doing, just to help you come to your balance and peace, so that way you can essentially do the same. And you know, we continue to, domino effect gets stronger, and the energy keeps growing faster and stronger. And we all liberating ourselves. We are all liberating each other. And this is a message of love and inspiration. Don't give up. If I know it's sometimes kind of hard, you know, when, you know, everything going on, and just know that you made it. If you're watching this video, you've made it. If you've actually watched this video and still watched the whole length of it, you're someone that's made it for sure. And that's so amazing. And I want to leave it at that. Just continue to, you know, do you. Shine your heart, shine your love, shine your essence of, continue following your intuition as you have been, that led you to, for our connection here. You know, I'm sure you're doing such an awesome job, and everybody is. And it's the best work ever, to spark people's light and love and joy, and help uplift them, and them see it, and be conscious of them seeing it, so they know how to, like, remind themselves to be, you know, themselves too, and how not to take themselves so serious. And oh man, it's just so much happening. And it's such an epic, humbling, and just very beautiful time. So my love, my heart is with everyone here. Thank you for continuing to support me, and being in these comments, and you know, liking these videos, even sharing them if they helped you, that you'd know that they would help somebody else. It is so appreciative to continue to share the love and share the light, and share even yourself. Start, you know, putting your heart out, because that's essentially, I had to come to that decision myself. I'm like, oh wow, I have so much energy and so much in my heart, that like, I can be going just through my own journey, and I have this channel, and I have these outlets of social media. But I'm, you know, I see it, how it's like, whoa, if I learn through this could be something that could help somebody. Boom, put it out there, and there it is. It helps someone. Same thing with you. We all do this on a day-to-day basis. Even if you're not aware of it, even if you're having a bad day, you're actually even causing somebody to shift into your energy. So it's even more important now to be really, really dialed uh, in the present, because one way or another you're causing good to yourself or bad, or good karma, bad karma, or it's just cause and effect. There's really no good or bad, but things that you're gonna eventually enjoy or things you're gonna have to struggle with and fight with, and you know so we do have uh, a certain level of responsibility, and that's why it's so hard, and that's why so many people don't want to do it. They like to go to the other side and be turn the other cheek, and I get it. um, it's it hurts sometimes, but it's all worth it in the end. It's all worth it, I promise you. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Namaste. Blessings. Amitabah. Until next video. All is love. Peace be with you.